Hello everybody, welcome back. We're in Lake Havasu, Arizona, and to me, personally, it's a little early in the year to be in this region here. This whole corridor that everybody, starting from Lake Havasu City all the way down to Yuma. To me, it's a little early to be here. I'll get burned out being in this area after a while, but here we are. I think we're gonna head down to Quartzsite. I don't know what the heck's going on, some event. I met up with some friends. There's probably a couple of us have left already, but probably 7, 8, 9 vehicles. So we've become a caravan, and I don't know what we're doing I don't know what's going on in Quartzsite, but that's where we're going. Gonna stop at the famous Ehrenberg Laundromat. It's that one-stop shopping. It's really RV friendly. It has the laundromat, the convenience store, propane, dumpsters, dump station, fresh water, laundromat, showers. I mean, it's a great one-stop deal. So there's Miss Fancy Pants in her new rig. There's Miss Fancy Pants in her new rig. So anyway, we're gonna get going. See where we end up at. I don't know yet. So we're leaving this area. It's BLM area known as Craggy Wash. It's just north of Lake Havasu City, and it's really convenient. This is one place I really like to camp. As far as conveniences go, there's a Walmart here like a half a mile away, and a Home Depot, and other various stores. But if you need to stock up or got any projects going on, this is a nice place to camp because it's just a quick run to town. We're going to skip ahead here a little bit, I think, and get on down the road here. Okay, I wanted to jump ahead here to closer down to Parker, Arizona. We just skipped through a bunch of traffic and 7 miles worth of stoplights and a fair amount of road construction. I wanted to skip ahead here and get down here closer to Parker and the Bill Williams National Wildlife Refuge. And yeah, these mountains down here, let me see here. Here they come. Yeah, every time I get down this way, I'm just in awe, about how jagged and rugged, the country is. Here, this is the Bill Williams Memorial Bridge, and this is the National Wildlife Refuge in this area. Down here just a little ways is some resorts and RV parks, and they're just tucked away down here along the river. The Colorado River is off to our right here. We'll get a better view of that just up here a little bit. But there's such a contrast in the rugged rocks, mountains, and then they have these resorts down here that are just nice flat green grass. Nice yards, a neighborhood, golf course. It's just such a contrast in landscape. Yeah, this is one of my favorite drives coming down through here. I should turn the dash cam to the right just a little bit, but I can't reach it when I'm driving. So, but we'll get a better view right up here. Yeah, how blue the Colorado River is. It's just beautiful through here. If it wasn't for the heat in the summertime here in southern Arizona, I could live here. Maybe. And there's a little resort down here. No, it's not a resort, I don't think. It's just a neighborhood, a little community down there. I think right up here towards the end of it, there is a golf course. Plenty of RVs out this way. It's that time of year. Alright, we've got a bit of a, I think a 6% downgrade here. Down through another part and into another community. But we might jump ahead here again. Well, we came south into Parker, Arizona, because that's like last call for stocking up. Do some Walmart shopping and stocking up. And I stopped and got propane in the big tank. It was down about half a tank. I'll be good to, it's full. I'll be good to go for a while. We came on south to Ehrenberg. Oh, for news to everybody that also travels. It makes Ehrenberg one of the regular stops. The RV dump station is permanently closed. So, still a laundromat and everything else there, but yeah, dump station is closed in Ehrenberg permanently. Of all places, again, we're here way too early. I'm probably not going to stay in Quartzsite. Gonna stay and do a few things, but it's not even it's the end of October. It's just a month. It's at least a month early to be. I'll get burned out. I'll need to go somewhere for a while, and I suspect I will. But we're gonna do a couple things with Quartzsite this week. We're going to go, since the dump site was closed, we're going to go to Rose's RV Park. Take care of the tanks. So now we're coming into Quartzsite, Arizona. I can't believe I'm in Quartzsite right now. And we're going to go to Rose's RV Park, dump tanks, and I don't know, we're going to go set up camp somewhere. I don't know what's going on. Well, here we are at Rose's RV Park in southwest area of Quartzsite, and according to that sign back there, this is going to hurt a little bit. $15 to dump and $10 or $5 for water. So I've gotten used to using my Flying J card for $3 dumps, but we got to get her done. Okay, I'm going to pull around here and take care of the tanks. I'll spare you all of that little task. we're gonna get on down the road and towards our camp or towards the meetup place before we go to camp, I think. So I'll be back. Yeah, I'm thinking about heading east and going to Phoenix and Tucson, and I'm not gonna stay in the area too long because once the cold weather really sets in, we're gonna be stuck back out here for, you know, like almost 2 months if we want to stay out of the cold, you know. So it's gonna be a cool week here. In the 70s in the day and 30s and 40s at night. So it's not, weather-wise, it's not a bad time to be in Quartzsite, but I think the hot is going to return for a little bit, maybe. I don't know, but I just I can't stay here all November, December, and January. 3 full months. Yeah, we're gonna have to escape out of here before long. Well, I'm gonna have to wait till the others catch up. They're right behind me. They got some tank dumping to do as well, so I pulled over and we're gonna just wait for the others and before we go set up camp. It's getting late in the day, and it'll be. I hope we are not setting up in the dark. That's never any fun. Bella, come here. You haven't been in this video. Come here. Come on, we gotta get you in this video. What? She said, we've been driving a lot today. Huh. We'll go somewhere nice. We'll go somewhere and run and play. Okay? We'll go somewhere and run and play. That's what we'll do. Okay? She's like, alright, whatever. Alright. Anyway, we gotta figure out. I don't know what we're doing. I really don't. It's just one of them kind of days for me. That's what my day consisted of. Moving to a new location, not a lot of adventure and exploring or anything, just moving to a new location, taking care of some tasks. That's it. We'll be back with something. I don't know what. Thanks for coming along today. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.